Alright, today we're going to go over how to create an authorization using DTS for people that have to drive their own personal vehicle to the duty station. Go to official travel, go down to authorizations and orders. That'll bring you to this page. Once you click on authorizations and orders, this is going to give you a list of all the authorizations that you've done in the past. If you look at sorted by departure date, look for the set of orders that match the date, this date. So if this is where you want to go and when you want to go, then these are the correct orders. Verify the dates match. Usually it's going to say created. That's kind of a dead giveaway. Those are the orders that you need to create authorization for. That happens when your orders are imported from DTS. Make sure that there's a TA number here, and then where it says view edit right here, click on edit. First thing you're going to do is put your miles in. Go to expenses, go to mileage. It's the second tab right next to non-mileage. Where it says expense type on this little drop down box right here, click on the arrow and go down to where it says private TDY, private auto TDY. That's going to bring up the option to put DOD table of distance. Click on this blue link right here, and this is where you're going to put your zip code of your house. Click on search, then you click on select. You don't have to write anything else. It puts all the information in there for you. This is where you write where you're going to. So look at your orders on line item 1 and verify what the zip code is for the duty station you're going to. In this case, this person is going to Newport, Rhode Island. Click on select. Scroll down again. Where it says calculate total, click on calculate mileage right underneath that. Again, scroll down. Total miles 173. Now you want to click on save total and continue. Now, so you don't have to do this over again because you need a return trip. Click on this little box right here. Create mileage. Create a separate mileage expense for the return trip. Alright, you're also going to have to change this date right here to the actual date that the person's leaving. So the person's leaving on the 11th. So let's change this to the 11th of August. Make sure that box is checked. Go down. Always hit save expense. Press OK. Here you go. Verify the dates. Leaving on the 11th. Coming back on the 23rd. Leaving from Flushing. Going to Newport. Coming from Newport. Going to Flushing. Everything's done. Now you want to sign it. Click on review and sign. Scroll all the way down. Save and proceed. Continue. It says default payment was not selected. Lodging payment method of personal. So lodging has payment of personal, not using default payment method GOVCC. So in that case, you go back to expenses, go to per diem entitlements, click on edit, and right here, right next to the lodging, it says view expenses detail. Click on that. Method of reimbursement is set to personal, so we want to set that to GOVCC individual. Scroll all the way down and save. Then you go back to review and sign. Scroll down, save and proceed, click continue. Now the flag is still going to come up because it came up before. So what I typed in was method of payment has been adjusted to GOVCC. So we adjusted it, and so that's fine. Something has to be written in this box. So you might come up with more than one flag. Something has to be written on each one of those boxes before it allows you to continue. So look up the best justification for whatever the flag is. There are tons of flags. Just read the flag. If you have any questions, ask your training department. But for the most part, read the flags and see what it says. If you can figure out a justification, if you write something in there, it'll let you proceed to the next stage. So the next step is to click right here where it says save and proceed to digital signature. So click that. Alright, that brings you to this page. Make sure it says right here where it says submit this document as. Make sure it says signed. After you verify it says signed, go ahead and submit completed document. Once you click on submit completed document, it's going to prompt you to put your to continue. So it's going to say continue. You click on continue, yes, verify all the information is correct. Then move on to the next step, which is putting in your PIN. It'll ask you for your personal identification for your CAT card. Go ahead and put that in. Once you've done that, then you should get a sign that says your voucher's been signed. You'll get a prompt for that, and you'll be fine. And the authorization signed, and now you can move on to going on your orders and taking your POV. And that's how you create authorization for your POV.